Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall eTrade app after disconnecting funding sources step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have disconnected all funding sources from your eTrade account. Open the eTrade app on your mobile device. Log into your eTrade account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the settings section within the app. Look for the option labeled funding sources or similar. Select it to view the funding sources linked to your account. Disconnect or delete each funding source you wish to remove. Confirm the disconnection when prompted by the app. Once all funding sources are disconnected, exit the app. Proceed to your device's home screen. Locate the eTrade app icon among your installed applications. Press and hold the eTrade app icon until options appear. Select the option that says Uninstall or Remove App. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted to ensure the app is removed. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few seconds. Once uninstalled, verify that the app is no longer present on your device's home screen. Your eTrade app is now successfully uninstalled, with all funding sources disconnected. You can safely ignore any residual app notifications that may appear. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.